Okay, let me show you how to create an instance or a virtual machine. It's very easy. After logging to the application of Azure, we just go to Home and we see the virtual machines. Here should be a list of different virtual machines that you created, but now I did not create any one. So I just show you step by step how to create a virtual machine. Click the add a virtual machine, and then in the basics we can choose for subscription, and here as a Georgia Tech student you just choose Azure for students. And resource group, since now we don't have any resource group, we just let it create new. Then the virtual machine name, so see I just put my name. I cannot use underscore, but I can use dash ly-vm. Okay, and then you will see the resource group is new and renamed. And the region, whatever is okay, it depends on where you want to provide your service. And the image you can also choose any, but be aware that if you choose Windows 10, then you must have a valid key. So as I tried, the Windows Service 2016 is a good choice. Then we can choose for any plan, just choose the cheapest one. Username. This username and password are the name that you will use to log in your virtual machine after you create that. So let me just put my always use one. This one is red. I'm not sure why it is red. So let me just put it here and later. Okay, and for this one, if you want to connect it by HTTP, you just select these two. License, don't need. Okay, and here for the disk options, it's okay to always use the recommended ones. Networking, you just review not so many to change. Management as well, and as recommended by some YouTube tutorial, they choose disable, so I choose disabled here. Okay, and then advanced, no, I'm not an advanced user. So tags, no need. Then the last one is review plus create. So after a few minutes, it just give me a report saying if I want to create, I have to pay such and such. Then that's a basics. You just review whether it satisfies your need. Then just click create. It takes some time, so let me pause. Then you will see something in progress. The deployment is in progress. I pause again. It may take a few minutes. Okay, now after a few minutes, you will see your deployment is complete. So that's it. Then if we want to use that virtual machine, we just need to go to resource. Yeah, so here we can see the resource that we just created. Here you see it's already running, and of course you have to pay. And here is the public IP address. virtual machine size, everything here. Then now we just successfully create a virtual machine. So we have one. We can go to this virtual machine and we can view. Okay, it's running Azure for Student, whatever. Then we can go to this virtual machine. Okay, then if we want to use that machine, we go to connect. We can use download RDP file. So here, this RDP file is something like a shortcut. You just simply run it. It will help you to connect, and then you have to key in your login information that you set when we created that. Let me try. Okay, maybe I did something wrong. Okay. Okay, good. So we start a virtual machine which is on the cloud. Yeah, this system is not at local but on the cloud. We can use this shortcut to access to this machine and do whatever, like Windows server. So you can see all the component in the image. We can run. And let's try what we have in the file system. Okay, it's just some some basic files. Yeah, but anyway, that's a system. Let's close it. Okay, so later, what if you want to delete this and you don't want to pay? You can go to the resource group. Here are everything in the resource group. You choose. Move resource. Oh, this is to move. I think somewhere we can delete that. Okay, we go here, we choose everything and delete. Since this delete is irreversible, it will make sure you really want to delete it. So you have to manually key in this yes, and you click delete. Okay, it takes some time, so let me pause. Okay, delete already done. So no resource to display, and we don't have to pay. Okay, that's it. Thank you.